Welcome to Beach Well Wednesdays. We are here at Earl Burns Miller Japanese Garden on campus right by the university housing. And we are going to start organizing in October. And what a better place to do it right here in the Japanese gardens. If you have time, we would love to see you in person on October 13th at 10:15 a.m. to 11 a.m. And we are going to learn about different ways of how to be organized and centered during October. But to do it virtually right now, we have Dr. Shelly Collins over in Counseling and Psychological Services to help us out. Dr. Collins?
Thank you, Candace. The Earl Burns Miller Japanese Garden is one of my favorite places on campus. And if you've never been, please, before you graduate or leave, it is a must go. So I'm hoping that you will join me on October 13th as we discuss why it is important to be organized. And so it brings us to my hashtag or our hashtag of being balanced, being centered. Looking at the Japanese garden, you see how well it's laid out, how organized, how balanced. And that helps us to remember that that is actually really helpful for ourselves. To create an organized space or schedule actually promotes better attention and focus. It inspires creativity. It also helps us to find calm and to be balanced, and definitely uplifts our mood. How many of us, when we feel stressed, like to tidy or clean? Kind of, because it's helpful, right? Having a clean and organized and tidy space actually mentally does something. The research is clear. So join me on October 13th, or just looking through the resources to see better, be well, and balanced. Sending it over to you, Candace.
Thank you, Dr. Collins, and we look forward to seeing you all in person or again in Nourishing November. And until then, take care and go beach.
Go Beach.